Okay, so let's talk through at what point you will move your stop to break even in the chart shown on the previous page. So the break even rule here is when your profit in the trade equals the risk you put on in the trade. So what we've got to first do is determine what risk have we put on in the trade. And the way we do that is by looking at the amount of pips between our entry and our stop. So when we see our stop is at 1.4832 and our entry is at 1.4850, we can see that the risk we have is 1, 2, 3 dotted lines worth, which if we work out in the pips, it is 18 pips. So what we want to do is count 1, 2, 3 lines worth upwards, and that is the price where we want to be moving our stop to break even. If we check on the side, from our entry, which is 1.4850, to this break even point, 1.4868, we can see that there are 18 pips between those two prices. So the stop should be moved to break even when the currency reaches the price indicated. It is a price in profit that is equal to the amount of pips between the entry and the stop. I'm sure you got that right. It was pretty simple, but if you didn't, then you may want to just go through that example again and make sure you fully understand it. And then what you can do is continue over to the next page where we'll go through another example.